Welcome back to the Mid-Year YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're sending off the yellow 67 convertible and the Field Find Split off to their home, so be sure to stick around. I'm proud to say the Field Find Split is officially done, at least for my portion of the project. So it's really cool because this car was wrecked in 1964. It's been off the road ever since. And now it has hinging, squeaking, and latching doors. They both close really nice. The gaps are nice, so they can definitely be worked from here. The doors fit pretty much as good as I could get them for an original car without doing too much finesse work, so they'll definitely be taken to the next level when this goes home. But it's really cool to see it at this stage. Also, the red car that we have, the fully restored split window, it had a lot more paint than this, but it was a firewall back pretty much when we got it. So it's kind of cool to see, like, where we started that project, this is where this one kind of ends for me. The patina on this is so cool, and I really like these wheels on this thing. It's just such a cool car. Really happy with it. Like I said, the doors both open and close, really nice. Really happy with where the floor turned out in this thing. Super nice. I left the retainer out. I'm not sure exactly what transmission they're putting in it. I left a couple holes in the back here because they're going to end up doing some reworking to the floor in this thing. But she's like a brand new car. Super happy with this. So now that this is done, I need to do the rivet work on this one. So I finished riveting the firewall, floor braces, and the rockers to the 67, so then I was able to get the doors hung on it. And I'm pretty happy with the fitment on them. The body could use a couple shims just to tilt the rear end up just a little bit. You can see she's all cleaned out, ready to go. Still got my lifting straps back here, but I'm really happy. Really happy with the way this thing turned out. Super solid inside doors, both. Latch real nice. They have the classic squeak, which is always good. So this guy is ready to go. Oop, this vent window dropped a little bit. Oh, or door's not latched. That'll get you. Yeah, so this one latches. Everything looks real nice. Happy with this. So this is the 67, all done. So like I said, this side could use a couple more shims. It's just sitting on the chassis, so it could use moved around just a little bit, but everything looks really nice. It's all super solid. Definitely a really good foundation to build off of. Both of these cars are. So now I got to get this thing spun around and get it jammed in the corner next to this one because another car is showing up, and the Camaro is going to go over here because it's going to be a full house for a couple days here. So I have the 67 and the Field Find Split lined up here, ready to go, along with the white Corvette, who just happens to be in a line here. So if we stand at the right spot, it almost looks like they're going down the assembly line together, just, you know, one after another. So this guy's ready to go. Once we've kind of made like a little jerry-rigged cart here. So once this one's in the trailer, we'll pick the body off the frame and put this setup underneath this one and roll it in the trailer as well. So these two are pretty much ready to go. Definitely gonna miss these two. A lot of good memories putting these guys together. So get these guys lined up and ready to go.
I'm rich. Diamond-studded Hutches. 14-karat carrots. I'm rich. I'm wealthy. Yahoo!
But that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I have a lot of work to do, so I'll catch you guys later. All right, so you guys ready for this? Check this unit out. Somebody has abandoned this little less than mint 63 split window that had a pretty good front end collision. The back end looks like it's in pretty good shape. So over here, we've got a 67. It's got the reverse light opening there. 67 convertible, yellow. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. But the craziest part of them all is I can see my house from here. Holy cow. Luckily all this isn't ours.
Yeah.
All kind of goodies.
We're in the money. We're in the money.